I finally got this 6-tier drawer from Amazon and I'm gonna put it together. But let me show you the detail here. This is how it looks like. This is all fabric, by the way. Z is actually going to put this together. He is so much better at this kind of stuff than I am, but I will be his support. While he was putting this together, I realized just how good quality the construction was. They were not cutting around the corners, all the parts were there, all the bolts were there. There were no missing pieces and nothing was broken, ripped, etc. Time is everything, and I've had several products come to me that were in bad condition, and I was only to discover that during the process of assembling the product, which really sucks, but this is not one of those products. Here I'll be storing office supplies, and believe it or not, each drawer is able to hold quite a lot of stuff in it. The drawers are fabric, but inside the fabric there are hard boards which are on all sides of the drawer, and they maintain the shape so that you can stuff a lot of things inside and it's not going to collapse. And with that being said, you can also slide out the drawer and slide it back in pretty easily, which is quite impressive for a fabric dresser. Granted, the frame of this is steel, so that makes sense. Never owned a soft fabric drawer. I was kind of skeptical. Will it work? Is it really going to hold things together? Am I going to be able to open it? And yes, all of that. It took us a total of 35 to 40 minutes to put it together. Definitely recommend.